Hi guys, hello and welcome back to our newest video. Today I will work on this beautiful Lamborghini Aventador SV. I will install paint protection film on entire front, including guards, bonnet and front bumper. Let's do it.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Okay, car is finally inside a workshop. This time we will use SunTek paint protection film because customer requested for it. I will do bulk installation, and first what we need to do, we need to measure our panels. Guys, I would like to show you how to cut straight in a situation like this. I'm wrapping this bumper and I need to trim this excess film. I will use this tape. I will apply it next to the edge. I will guide my blade next to this tape edge to make a straight cut. Let's do it. All the time before you start cutting, you need to snap a blade. Let's do it. Let's remove this blue tape. Let's check. I really love using my tweezers. Looks good. I hope this tip will help you. we lifted this Aventador on the hoist, and now it will be way easier to wrap this bottom lid. Everything else is done. Now I just need to do this matte black part. If you have a hoist, you must use it. I will remove this grill. In this case, I will be able to hide the PPF joint behind the grill. It's only 4 balls here, very easy, 1 minute. That's it. After you finish installation, it's very important not to forget to heat and seal the edges. This is what I'm gonna do now. Okay, let's put grill back. So guys, the job is done. We're waiting for customer. I hope this wrap will protect this car from the stone chips for a long time. Thank you for watching. It's me, Virus, and I will see you in next video.